Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video, we will learn the concept of point load strength. So we will learn the concept through numerical. So the numerical is a cylinder core of granite with a radius of 25 millimeter was subjected to the point load test. So the radius is 25 meter and the test is point load test. The load was applied parallel to the diameter of the core and the failure load was 20 kilonewton. The uncorrected point load strength index is filling the blanks megapascal. So in point load test, a cylinder of rock is loaded across its diameter as given in question, but the angle and that sample is in between two 60-degree steel point. So this is the 60-degree steel point with a tip of radius 5 millimeter. So the radius of that tip is 5 meter in both 5 millimeter in both case. This will be 60-degree and this tip will be 5 millimeter. So the point load strength is given by P upon D square, where P is failure load and D is the diameter of sample. So here we have to find out the load strength index in megapascal. So here given that radius of the sample, which is equals to 25 millimeter, so the diameter will be 2 into radius, that is 2 into 25 millimeter, which will be equals to 50 millimeter. We find the answer in SI unit, means MKS unit, that is the length will be in meter. So diameter will be 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter. Will convert it into meter because 1 meter is equals to 10 to the power 3 millimeter. So 1 millimeter will be 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So this is the unit conversion we use. Now we get the value of D in meter and the value of P, that is failure load, in the question is 20 kilonewton. So the P is equals to 20 kilonewton. So that will be equals to P is equals to 20 into 10 to the power 3 newton, because 1 kilonewton is equals to 10 to the power 3 newton. So that will be P is equals to, so P is equals to 20,000 newton. So this is the value of P we will get. So the point load strength is, which is equals to P, value of P is 20,000 divided by D square, that is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. So that will give IS is equals to 20,000 divided by 50 into 50 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 0 will cancel out, so that will get, we will get 200 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 25. That will give 1, that will give 8. So that will be 8 into 10 to the power 6 and the unit is Newton and this will be meter square. So the unit will be Newton per meter square. Now IS is equals to 8 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square. So we need the answer in megapascal. So 1 Newton per meter square is equals to 1 Pascal, that is PA. Or we can say 1 Newton per meter square, which is equals to 1 PAS, Pascal, PA. So if we use, so IS will be 8 into 10 to the power 6 Pascal. Again, 1 megapascal is equals to 10 to the power 6 Pascal. So IS will be 8 megapascal. So the answer will be 8. So the answer will be 8 megapascal. So the here answer will be 8. In kilopascal, the unit will be 1 kilopascal will be equal to 10 to the power 3 Pascal. We can write PA. And 1 megapascal is 10 to the power 6 Pascal. So the next is numerical, which is based on Brazilian test. In Brazilian test was conducted on a rock sample having radius 27 millimeter. So the radius of the sample is 27 millimeter and the thickness is 22 millimeter. So we can note it down. R will be 27 millimeter. So diameter D will be 2 into R, that is 2 into 27, which is equals to 54 millimeter. So the diameter will be 54 millimeter and the thickness L, which is equals to 22 millimeter. Now the failure load was 5 kilonewton. Here again P is 5 kilonewton, which is equals to 5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton, because 1 kilonewton is equals to 10 to the power 3 Newton. So we will get the value of P, we will get value of L, and we will get value of D. So the tensile strength of the rock is, in filling the blanks, Newton per millimeter square. So we have to find the tensile strength of the rock in the unit Newton per millimeter square. So the tensile strength is defined by the equation T naught is equals to 2p over pi dl, where D is the diameter of the sample, P is the failure load, and L is the thickness. So we have all the value. So tensile strength T naught will be equals to 2 into P. P is 5 into 10 to the power 3 divided by pi dl. The value of pi is 3.14. The value of D is 54 and the value of L is 22. We didn't convert the unit of D and L because we need the answer in Newton per millimeter square. So the unit will be Newton and the denominator unit will be millimeter square. So the value of T naught, after simplifying, we will get 2.68 Newton per millimeter square. So the answer will be 2.68. The next question is based on rock quality designation. From the figure given below, dissipating a recovered core of a total length of 200 centimeters. So the total length of the core is 200 centimeter. The RQD will be in percentage. So the total length given as 200 centimeter, and we know the formula for RQD is equals to sum of core length whose length is greater than 10 centimeter and divided by total borehole length into 100%. So the total borehole length is 200 and 100%, and the core length whose length is greater than 10 centimeter is this one is 30, this one is 16, and this one is 20, and this is not recovered, and this is also not recovered, and this will not take because this is less than 10 centimeter. So the core length will be 30 plus 16 plus 20, so that will equals to 66 divided by 200 into 100 percentage, so that will be 33%. So the RQD will be 33%. Here why we take L1 which will be 30 centimeter, L2 which will be 16 centimeter, L3 we will not take because this value is less than 10 centimeter, because we have to consider the core whose length is greater than 10 centimeter and add whole samples whose length is greater than 10 centimeter. So L4 will be 20 centimeter and the rest is not recovered. So the summation L will be 30 plus 16 plus 20, which is equals to 66. So the RQD we calculate is 33%. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.